podcast covering a wide range of topics. Benefits of podcast. Convenience, listen to podcasts anywhere at any time. Personalization, choose from a vast array of topics and styles. Education, learn a new thing and expand to your knowledge. Entertainment, enjoy comedy and storytelling and more. Community, connect with others who share similar interests. Community, connect to others who share similar interests. How to listen to podcasts. Smartphone apps, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, desktop application, iTunes, Stitcher, smart speakers, Amazon Alexa, Google Web Home. Web players listen directly from podcast websites. Creating a podcast. Choose a topic, select a niche or theme for your podcast. Plan your content, develop a content calendar and script. Invest in equipment, microphone, headphone, and recording software. Record your episodes and edit them for quality and publish and promote, publish your podcast and promote it on social media. Types of podcasts are news and current events, podcasts that discuss current events and news, comedy, humorous podcasts that often feature improved or scripted content, educational, informative podcasts that teach listeners about specific topics, creative podcasts, storytelling podcasts that often feature scripted content, interview style, conversational podcasts featuring interviews with guests. Narrative storytelling podcasts that often feature scripted content, conversational podcasts featuring interviews with guests, numerous podcasts that often feature improved or scripted content, and podcasts that discusses current events and